from the skies above. Join us on an unforgettable journey to explore the breathtaking beauty of Egypt, like you've never seen it before. This is the top 30 tourist destinations in Egypt, filmed from above with a Darwin drone. Pyramids of Giza, icons of ancient brilliance. The Sphinx, the eternal guardian of the desert. Karnak Temple, Luxor, towering columns echoing pharaonic power. Valley of the Kings, the silent tombs of mighty rulers. Temple of Hatshepsut, a unique cliffside masterpiece. Philae Temple, Aswan, a sanctuary of legends on an island. Abu Simbel, monolithic guardians of Ramesses II. Citadel of Salah El-Din, Cairo, a fortress of Islamic heritage. The Hanging Church, Old Cairo, suspended above Roman ruins. National Museum of Egyptian Civilization, where mummies rise again. The Nile River, Egypt's eternal lifeline. Mount Sinai, St. Catherine, touch the skies at sunrise. The White Desert, sculptures of stone and sand. Color Canyon, Nuweiba, a rainbow carved into rock. Lake Karen, Fayum, where water meets dunes. Lake Nasser, the largest man-made lake in Africa. Ras Mohammed Nature Reserve, Sharm el-Sheikh, a marine wonderland. Hurghada, Red Sea luxury and leisure. Sharm el-Sheikh Global Resort Jewel. Dahab, Golden Mountains Crystal Seas. Hurghada, Red Sea luxury and leisure. Marsalam, Wales, coral reefs and calm. Alexandria, the bride of the Mediterranean. Marina in New Alamein, the future on the shoreline. Port Said, gateway to the Suez Canal. New Damietta, between greenery and waves. Alamein City, towers, history, and sea breeze. This is Egypt from above, a land of timeless wonders, natural beauty, and vibrant life. Which of these destinations would you explore first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more sky-high journeys around the world.